Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make yellow light caption styles in CapCut. So in here, you just need to add a video of you speaking or video that has conversation like this. And then after that, just go to text and click on auto caption, then click on start. Okay, so the caption has been made, and to change the style into a yellow light style, you just need to go to style, and first you can also change the phone into your favorite one. And then after that, just go to effects, scroll down until you find this yellow light effect. Okay, so now your caption will go like this. If you want, you can also make it a little bit bigger, for example like this, and just click on a check icon and you are done with the yellow light caption style. Okay, so that's all for me. If you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.